Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of September, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is situated within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.88% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.82% to 12.47%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 10.12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -14.20% to +24.35% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $195.32 and $283.05. Our latest daily update for Amazon features the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Amazon as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The Amazon stock price decreased by 1.66% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. Dropping from $231.48 to $227.63. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.34%, ranging from a low of $227.52 to a high of $230.56. Over the past 10 days, the stock has declined in 6 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 3.48%. Interestingly, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should move in tandem with stock price. On that day, trading volume decreased by 55 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $9.62 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $242.52, while the lowest was $161.38. Currently, the stock price is 6.14%, or $14.89, below the 52-week high, and 82.56%, or $1,077.57, below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon is making headlines today on 3 significant fronts for investors. First, O.N.E, Amazon has announced a new partnership with the Inter-American Development Bank to fund sustainable development in the Amazon region. This initiative is a clear focus on environmental, social, and governance principles, which can help improve regulatory relationships and enhance logistics and cloud operations in Latin America. While this partnership may not immediately impact earnings, it represents a long-term positive for growth and stakeholder sentiment. Second, the narrative surrounding artificial intelligence continues to elevate Amazon's position. The markets are now viewing Amazon as a core provider of AI infrastructure and services. Notably, the significant push for AI infrastructure in the United Kingdom is expected to favor established cloud providers like Amazon Web Services. This ongoing demand driven by AI could improve the revenue mix and profit margins for AWS over time, potentially supporting higher valuations. Finally, a federal trial in the United States concerning alleged practices related to prime enrollment and cancellations introduces immediate legal and reputational risks. An unfavorable ruling or fines could put pressure on the stock in the short term and necessitate changes to the subscription model, which may affect profit margins. In summary, while artificial intelligence and environmental, social, and governance initiatives present durable growth opportunities, the Prime trial introduces a degree of short-term volatility and downside risk pending its outcome. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Amazon a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Amazon a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Amazon stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at 230.80 and 227.79. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 9th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 4.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 79 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 74 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.05 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.34%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This figure represents a relatively normal P/E ratio, typically found in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.57. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $230.33. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of September 2025, Patricia Q. Stonecipher conducted an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the same day, Jonathan Rubinstein also made an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. Additionally, on the 10th of September 2025, Daniel P. Huttenlocker conducted an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the 2nd of September 2025, Douglas J. Harrington executed an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, which has a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 28th of August 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos conducted an insider sale of 421,693 shares of common stock, also with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 96.699. Overall, insiders purchased 218,736 shares and sold 25,837,190 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? The Amazon stock displays several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Amazon will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, we expect Amazon to open higher by approximately 94 cents and start trading at $228.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.